All right, welcome back to another trade recap, and I'm gonna go over the trade I took today. I didn't take any trades in New York. There's some opportunities that just not good enough to justify trading an account I'm already up on for the day. So I didn't take any New York trades. And I didn't trade the alpha at all. I just traded the trade of eight during gold and Asia session, and I am down $322 unfortunately, but it was a fine trade. It wasn't like a crash out trade or anything. So yeah, let me get into it. It all like technically went in the same day, so I was already up on this day. So now, I mean, I'm still up. What am I up? I'm still up 700 on the week, 332 technically on today because last trade I think ended after midnight New York time. Um, so I went in this trade with my draw being lower. I liked if you go to the 15 minute. This 15 minute doesn't have a wick. I mean, I wanted previous day low. I like the draw being lower. Um, and yeah, I'll just go through the trade. So we pumped up a little bit during Asia session, what is this right here? So, like, first 50-minute candle of Asia session, technically, pumped up, tapped this unmitigated 15-minute gap, which I liked. And then the very next candle, it's like a doji, comes up, creates a range, I don't know, creates a range, creates a 15-minute range out of this gap. I like this draw. That's what I was just gonna go for this target, but I also like some lower price action. The 1 minute was a little bit ugly though. The change is technically right there, but I waited. Like we got this, and then I didn't enter. Then when we started displacing again after putting in this lower high, then I entered. But I pretty much just got stopped out right away. Didn't over risk. I was looking at, and then after that, after I lost, I was looking at this 1 hour candle right here to see if we would close inside this range to maybe take a 5 minute change, but we never got it. And yeah, that's just I mean, I'm fine with this trade. It was cool. I was just wrong. I just had the wrong bias. We just wanted to go up, and I thought we were wanting to go down. Um, but yeah, let me go through New York session two real quick. Just I didn't even write it down in a journal or anything. I just want to go over what I saw. So, first potential trade of the day. Market opens, goes up higher. I'm pretty sure we had SM2 with YM. At this point, then we create this 15-minute gap. This was the first potential trade of the day. Um, the range was kind of weak though because we have that sweeping in, closing back in the range, and then this is the range low. So the range low is pretty close. We did fill the range low. I did want lower on NQ this morning, so we sweep the low. So like honestly, I might have taken the stops are huge. So if you just take this trade like straight up the model, entry would be there because that's the 1 minute change, which is way down. Stop would be up here, 142 point stop. I mean, if you obviously you're not going to take that trade, it would have worked out, but you're not going to take that trade. Um, yeah, I mean, I wanted lower. Like, if I did enter this trade, obviously I'd be targeting lower. Um, but yeah, this is the first opportunity that would have. I don't know. I don't even think I would have taken this trade even if I was up, just because um it's just this change is just so low. So we did fill the range, but then we didn't go any lower. The second opportunity was here. I don't like this one because it's kind of cherry picked. I feel like it's here. So, I mean, it's this range right here. This 15-minute range, creates a range, pumps up. I don't like this one too much because like we created a range here, we were failed to fill it. Created a range here, failed to fill it, and then we finally created a range here and failed to fill it. I guess the only thing you could say is that this is the only range that came down to OTE, but I don't really like that anyway. um, and the last one is this 1 hour range right here that we're currently. I think we'll. I don't know. This 1 hour range failed to deliver at least so far, and yeah, I didn't really like anything Asia session for this. Because I mean, if you look at it, like, well, I mean, there's just a whole lot of nothing right here. I mean, I guess we have this. This probably will deliver. Honestly, I'm gonna mark this out and see what we do overnight. Actually, we'll see if I wake up and this will deliver this 4 hour range. What is it from? 14 low. So there, boom, boom, boom. 15-minute change is there. CASD. You enter on the change here. Oops. So yeah, let's see if this plays out. Where's the 4-hour high? 4-hour high's up here. Alright, I mean, this would be a good trade if, you know, it goes to play out. So we'll see. That's it for today. Down $300. Still up, you know, 700 on the week. Still doing good. The alpha account's still up a lot. This account's up 100. So no real damage done. Just a good, I would say, good loss. Yeah, that's it for today, and I'll be back tomorrow morning. I'm gonna try to trade the Asia or the New York session a lot more. Yeah.